Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the Xbox One is updated and your controller is responsive. This prevents interruptions. Insert the SIM into the adapter or confirm eSIM provisioning in the companion app so the console can detect network details. Once done, navigate directly to My Games and Apps and launch SIM Dashboard. Sign into your Microsoft account if asked. I explain why. The dashboard needs current firmware and account info to apply carrier profiles, so those first steps avoid detection and activation errors. Now you scan for carriers and select the matching provider profile so the console uses the right network parameters. This step configures APN, authentication, and network type. If autoload fails, manually enter APN values exactly as provided by the carrier, digits and case matter, and save. Make sure to set roaming and preferred radio bands, for example restricting to 4G or LTE if that gives stability. This reduces dropped connections and ensures proper data routing once activated. Apply the configured profile and then reboot the Xbox One so changes take full effect. This clears transient states and forces a fresh network registration. Once restarted, check network settings for signal strength, run a speed test, and perform a simple data action such as sending a test SMS or connecting to a game server so you verify real traffic. If something fails, reset the SIM, re-enter APN exactly, and use the dashboard logs when you contact the carrier. That information speeds troubleshooting and resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.